Hi guys! So welcome to my mini vlog, and for today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang isang bagay na malimit pag-usapan at mahirap daw gawin. Ano nga ba ang research? Pero disclaimer lamang tayo. Lahat ng ibabahagi ko sa inyo ay galing lang sa aking karanasan at base lamang sa aking mga natutunan. Ano nga ba ang research o pananaliksik sa Tagalog? Ang salitang research ay galing sa salitang French word na recherche, nang ibig sabihin ay to seek for something. Research is a systematic way of investigation. Bakit sinabi natin na systematic way? Because research, just like scientific method, it has procedures and a step-by-step process. Bakit naman sinabi natin na investigation? Because through research, we will be able to find the truth. And we will be able to find the unknown. Historically speaking, research has been existing long time ago. Even Plato, Socrates, Aristotle, or Archimedes, they did research too. Do you remember what Archimedes exclaimed? Eureka! Eureka! Nang ibig sabihin ay, I have found it. And biblically and theologically speaking, even God Himself did research. Through what? Through God's creation. And that is the definition of research. Tandaan, hashtag research is life. And of course, ang love ay parang research. Hinahanap mo para iyong matagpuan. Hanggang sa muli, this is your chance.